Hello?
Miss Lestico, guess what time it is?
What time?
It's time for math!
Yay!
Hey, first grade, welcome to another exciting day of math.
That's right. We've been learning about 3D shapes all week, and today is our last day to kind of review all of those shapes that we've been practicing.
What's our target, Miss Lestico?
Our target is I can identify 3D shapes, their attributes, and real-life examples.
Wow, we kind of made some anchor charts earlier talking about the shapes and their attributes and everything, but it's still a little fuzzy in my mind.
Well, there are lots of different ways that we can practice naming those shapes and seeing how we can identify what 3D shape we're looking at.
Oh, I know one way that helps me learn really well.
What, Miss Lynn?
Listening to a song.
Ooh, I know we have a really fun song that's going to help us name our 3D shapes.
Ooh, let's get started.
Come on, kids, make that shape. Come on, kids, you'll do great. Make the shapes that you see. All the shapes are 3D. Come on, kids, make that shape. Come on, kids, you'll do great. Make the shapes that you see. All the shapes are 3D. Come on, kids, make that shape. Come on, kids, you'll do great. Make the shapes that you see. All the shapes are 3D.
That was really cool, Miss Lestico, and I remembered a whole bunch of those shapes when they kept popping up.
That's right. That really helped me remember the name and then what that 3D shape would look like as maybe a block or anything else.
And it didn't show us all of the shapes we learned. Like, I noticed, Miss Lestico, there were no prisms, but I can still remember what those prisms looked like.
That's right. And we're actually going to go over all of the 3D shapes that we've learned about right now.
Ooh, let's see what's first.
Okay, so we have our 3D shapes. Oh, well, what shape would this be, Miss Lynn?
Okay, well, I noticed right away that it has curved edges, but it also has those two circle faces. And that dotted line is showing me what it would look like. I can't really see it through the shape, so those dotted lines help me. Oh, Miss Lestico, I'm pretty sure this is a cylinder because it looks like a can of soda.
That's right. Let's see. Oh, well, this is like a pail, maybe that you would take to the beach to put sand in. What 3D shape would this be?
Well, what attributes are you seeing, Miss Lestico?
Oh, I see those curved lines on the side too. And I know that a pail has a circular top and then a circle on the bottom so that you can stack it and hold stuff. Well, that means that this would be a cylinder because it has those two circle faces and a curved line around it.
Good job, Miss Lestico. I agree. Okay, well, what about this shape? Ooh, it kind of looks just like a circle, but I know that it's a 3D shape, and I can see here in the middle how they're showing me a little bit of a darker color, show me that it's 3D. Ooh, but I don't see any faces, any edges, or vertices.
Well, what shape would it be then?
Oh, it's a sphere!
Oh, very good job, Miss Lime. Well, let's see. Oh,
Ooh.
okay. I noticed right away that I have a rectangle face right here and a rectangle face right here. Oh, and this kind of looks like a square face, Miss Lime.
Okay, well, I know if I have a shape, it kind of looks like a tissue box. It has mostly rectangle faces. It might be a square face on the end. It might be a rectangle face, but I'm pretty sure, Miss Lestico, this is a rectangular prism. I know this because it's similar to that cube because it's like boxy, but it has rectangle faces.
Oh, that's right. I remember that one.
Oh,
An ice cream cone.
wait,
Well,
that's
Miss
also
Lime,
a 3D shape, isn't it?
A cone is a 3D shape.
And the name cone is even in it. Miss Lestico, I know this is a cone because it has that curved edge. It has one circle face, and even though it comes to a point, it does not have any edges or vertices. It doesn't have any vertices or one vertex because there are no edges that are coming together to make that point.
That's right, but it does have that one face for a circle at the top. Oh, well, this is kind of like a pinball, or maybe if you've ever used marbles before, this is what that kind of looks like.
It's round.
Oh, I know that those roll really, really well. Well, Miss Lime, this would be a sphere.
Oh, it is. Wait, we've already had a sphere, Miss Lestico. So you're telling me it can still be a sphere even though it doesn't look exactly like the other sphere? It's a different size?
Yeah, there are lots of spheres that are different sizes and shapes and colors.
Well,
and
they're
maybe
normally
even made
the
of
same
different
shape
things.
because they all have the same attributes, but they definitely can be different sizes.
That's right.
Ooh, a
Isn't that
fish
fish
tank. Wait a second, Miss Lestico. You know what I'm seeing?
What are you
I'm
noticing?
seeing rectangular faces. I'm seeing all the edges and the vertices, and it reminds me of like a long box.
Oh, Miss Lime, I know what it is.
What is it?
It's a rectangular prism.
It is. It looks just like it. I never would have thought about that, but you know, now that I'm thinking about it, that definitely is a rectangular prism.
What else do we have? Oh,
This looks like a party hat, but if we flipped it over, it would look like an ice cream cone.
Oh, this is definitely our 3D shape, a cone. I can tell because it has that one pointy top. Even though it's not a vertice, it does come to a point at the top.
So it's definitely a cone, Miss Lestico. Oh, next we have a tent.
A tent.
Oh, wait a second, Miss Lestico. It has a triangle face right here, and I know there's one on the other side, and then it has rectangular faces.
Oh, Miss Lime, if our faces are triangles as well as rectangles, that means it would be a triangular prism.
That's right. It is a triangular prism, and we're pretty much going to see those as a tent.
That's right. Oh, a Rubik's Cube.
I hear the word cube, Miss Lestico. It must be a cube.
Well, I see that this Rubik's Cube, you can tell that all of the sides are equal or the same because they all have 3 blocks going down and 3 blocks going across.
That's right. And all the faces are squares, and squares will have all equal sides. So it's definitely a cube.
Oh. I have never seen this in person, but I've seen this in books pretty often. This is one of the pyramids.
That's right. And we know it's a pyramid because it has these triangle faces or triangular faces. And on the bottom or the base of it is either a square or a rectangle. So this is our square or rectangular pyramid. And we see this in Egypt. Another pyramid, Miss Lestico. Oh my goodness. I like how on this one I can clearly see the base. See, that bottom part is a rectangle, and then my triangular faces are coming up from that to make a point at the top.
That's right. So this would definitely be a rectangular pyramid because that one base on the bottom looks like a rectangle.
Mm-hmm. That is so many 3D shapes that we've learned. Oh my goodness.
That's right. And I know that we can see them all around us every day.
That's right. Go ahead, take a look around your house or your classroom. What shapes are you seeing? There are so many. Oh my goodness.
And when you're done practicing what your 3D shapes look like and what they're called, we have an assignment on Seesaw for you.
That's right. What do they have to do, Ms. Lustico?
Well, today you're going to take a performance assessment. So we just want to know how you're doing at identifying your shapes and telling us what shape is it. So you're going to look at a picture and then you're going to use the word bank to write what shape is shown in the picture.
And don't worry, we still have so much we're going to learn about our shapes. We just want to see how we're doing so far.
And of course, so we can see that, click that green check mark. Good luck!